Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Factr token from Defactor. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Factr token is being listed today, 1:30 p.m. UTC time. So, I'm not sure what time that is in Eastern time, but most likely it's already up there. So it says users can deposit Factr and trade Factr at 1:30 p.m. UTC time on Hotbit Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search FACTR, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of your tokens on Hotbit by putting them into DeFi farm pools, lock up, stake them, all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on your tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code down there. That's where this token just got listed. Now, if you want to find more info about this token, you can head over to their Twitter, which is at Defactor_. They have 12,700 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well. It says, building the bridge between traditional and decentralized finance. Their official webpage is defactor.com. On their Twitter, you can also find a Discord link and a full link tree to all of their socials and links. On their webpage, you can find info about funding, liquidity, the token, stakeholders, news, Discord, a LinkedIn, Twitter, frequently asked questions, contact email, media kit, and documentation. Now, their docs are at docs.defactor.com. It says, building a bridge between TradeFi and DeFi. Global small and medium-sized entrepreneurs suffer from inefficient and inequitable allocation of financing that impedes their growth and hinders wider economic development. On one hand, many financially sound businesses lack access to the financing they need. On the other hand, DeFi investors are looking for a safe haven yield amidst market turmoil. Defactor provides the bridge through our platform to bring these two parties together for a win-win solution. More than ever before, there is a need for networks and applications to support businesses on their journey to decentralized finance. Networks must offer these businesses the tools they need to build a reputation while helping them participate in the governance of their ecosystem. This is the future growth. So, it says here, Defactor is the integration layer and tooling for TradeFi businesses to leverage alternative finance with DeFi. Defactor's business model is based on taking a fee for connecting asset originators and liquidity providers, thereby providing transaction funding supported by dynamic risk reporting that gives visibility and transparency to all third parties. For LPs, Defactor's platform provides access into a new asset class of private credit, in particular a fixed income product in DeFi. Furthermore, the real-world asset aspect of our business model brings stability to LPs through non-correlated asset allocation and greater diversification. A key component that differentiates Defactor is the emphasis on risk management. Asset originators are subject to a fair but rigorous due diligence process to build trust between all the actors involved in the protocol. In the medium term, asset originators on the Defactor platform will be able to reduce their cost of capital and improve payment terms by building a track record in repayments. In addition to the collateral that asset originators commit, a contribution is required in the form of an investment into the junior tranche to ensure they have a skin in the game, accounting for the first losses in case of defaults. So decentralized finance is coming of age, and as a result, we are seeing the democratization of access to liquidity and greater opportunities for investors to earn returns. So goes over how Defactor works. It says asset originator makes an application to the Defactor platform. KYC and KYB checks are performed before loan due diligence is performed. The Defactor team assesses the funding as either accepts or rejects the application. Successful applicants are then asked to upload assets onto the platform, which serve as collateral for the transaction. The assets are tokenized and held until the repayments are made. So the token on here, basically it's a governance token. You could stake the token to earn high APY. There is a buyback model and it gives you network access. So it's basically a utility token and a governance token at the same time. There's a treasury pool. You can be a liquidity provider. There's a token assurance pool, automatic buyback machine. So token distribution is on here as well. Total supply of this token is 300,000 tokens. So tokens set aside for association will be controlled by the Defactor DAO, a governance system. There's going to be staking rewards emitted through staking contracts where token holders lock their Factr tokens. There's going to be different partnerships. And yeah, so basically it's split up like this. So 21.5% of the tokens went to private sale. 23% went to the association. 25% staking rewards. 14% ecosystem and partnerships. And 16.5% team and contributors. And they have lots of socials. LinkedIn, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Medium articles, webpage are all listed on here. If you want to find more, learn more about their LP onboarding, AO onboarding, asset funding, liquidity pools, how Defactor works, check out their documents. You can find that on their webpage, defactor.com. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Hotbit Global. Now, I am not I'm not telling you to buy this token at all. This is strictly just information. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.